How to fix can't add story to highlight on Instagram. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where highlights are not working. You can't add a story to a highlight. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so I just posted a story right here, as you can see. And if I go to create a new highlight, that story is not showing up in the list here, so I can't add it to a highlight. Now, it's actually really easy to fix this. And all you need to do is navigate to your profile here, then select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu. Then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then in Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you get to Your App and Media and select Archiving and Downloading. From here, we just want to select Save Story to Archive, so toggle that on. Then we can select the profile icon on the bottom right of Instagram. And now when I go to either edit a highlight or create a new highlight, you can see that that story right there is available for me to add to a highlight. So I can do it, create the highlight, and there we go. All right, so that's how you fix Instagram can't add story to highlight problem. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Engaging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.